Is the screen to the tent in here? You gotta set the canopy up out here and put the tent in the ground like you had it at the restaurant. For your mama can come sit out here without the bugs biting. Huh? The ants bad over there though. They done found it. The ants. Yeah, you can put the swing in there too. I warned you to put that tent in that trunk today. Just sitting in there. I gotta get some rope. Huh?
Where you gonna want to put it?
Flat on that flat, sir. Flat on that.
And wrap that whole fence around it. Yeah, the whole screen. I want to get me some screen from Reggie though. For my back porch, his friend. Because he said he got a roll of that screen.